Hey guys, it's Alex Ray here. We got Mr. Usic Choi.
Hey guys.
We got Sierra as well. We're at Total Motorworks. It's a happy Friday, and we got a lot in store today. Usic is already hard at work looking at some part numbers for Project Sky because we're going to be restoring stuff, as you know. And today, we're not only going to be restoring stuff, it's Motown Day.
Groovy, baby.
We're going to be dancing. Yeah, it's a party here at Total Motorworks always. So stay tuned. It's going to be great. Enjoy. So what we're doing right now is we are actually deleting the windshield washer fluid.
Headlight washer fluid.
Okay, windshield, yeah. It goes all the way across. That might be a couple pounds. I got nothing on my buddy Roast Beef Mike. That guy loves to shed some weight on his car, but we're gonna get there, okay? Without all the cutting and circles and this and that stuff. So anyways, let's get to it. Join me as we get down and dirty with Usic. Now, all right. Join me as we go. No, as we go or as we get?
As we get.
As we get down and dirty. Yeah. Okay. I forgot what I was gonna. Hold on. Now, Usic, quite frankly, is working on. No, I said quite frankly. Why did I say it's a filler word? I hate filler words.
2 very boring minutes later.
And what is that, quite frankly? No, I said quite frankly. Let's get down and dirty with Usic. Here he is. Why am I talking like that? Join me as we get down and dirty with Usic. And here he is deleting the headlight washer system. Now, in case you forgot, on my front bumper, I had the headlight washer system fully shaved off to give it that clean look. Now, we can't just do that and not actually delete the system behind the bumper. So that's what we're doing here. We deleted some of the rubber hosing lines there. And remember, in the morning, we were also looking on the computer for part numbers. Behind the fender liner, what doesn't meet the eye is that there's actually more hoses that go to this headlight washer system that need to be deleted. So that's what we're gonna do. My mom and dad are gonna kill me for this one. My mind's thinking. Call me crazy, but I got one thing on my mind right now to keep up with this motorsport themed build. This was not Usic's idea. Okay, be very clear on that one. We are going to delete the air conditioning system. Whenever I drive this thing, the windows are always down. I gotta look cool, you know, I gotta be seen. They gotta see me. I've only used it maybe 1 or 2 times since owning the car in 2018. It's gotta go. I mean, there's pumps, there's condensers, there's lines. It's not doing me any good, but slowing me down. So stay tuned for another video in the future where we dive right into that. Let's talk about suspension. Quite frankly, I said it again. Guys, a box has shown up at Total Motorworks doorsteps. And it's from a very, very good friend of mine, Mo at Alpha Motorsports. Now, before I actually show you this big box, I mean, who knows what it is, but the name on the box totally gives it away. I need to tell you something super important. Now, as I mentioned before, Usic, the owner of Total Motorworks, does not take on new clients. And it's not because he's a snob, it's not because he's pretentious, it's because he wants to focus on delivering to his existing client base who really focuses on restorations of classic BMWs. Now, I was having some problems with my car, and Mo from Alpha Motorsports knocked on Usic's door, being an existing client of Usic already. He said, Usic, I have this great friend of mine, Alex, you need to help him out. I know you're not taking on new clients, but he's a great guy and he would really benefit from your support. So I wouldn't be in this present day and time today if it wasn't for Mo at Alpha Motorsports. And Mo at Alpha Motorsports has helped me acquire some really, really rare parts. We're talking some of my favorite parts being the Recaro SPA seats that are on my world famous Subaru hatchback race car. So again, thank you, Mo at Alpha Motorsport, for getting me in this entire position, and thank you for this big box down there. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside. There they are, the Hotchkis Sway Bars for the BMW M3. I mean, look how thick these sway bar bushings are. And if you can't tell by my face, I am super excited to install these. On the forums though, I will say, a lot of people say that they're hit or miss because they induce some understeer, but you know what? It's a component that can be improved, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. So this will be installed at a later video, and again, very special thank you goes to Mo at Alpha Motorsports for helping me get these beautiful Hotchkis Sway Bars. Oh, I wasn't recording.
All of it?
Dude.
Oh, don't.
No, you're gonna have to take everything out.
You're with me.
No, I'm not.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not recording.
Man, I'm so sorry.
I know what I'm doing here. I'm in full control. It's so much brighter.
Yeah. We should have done it before and after. I didn't get what it looked like before, but that's fine. There's no farting allowed in this car. You know, my dad, he always says, hey man, why would you want to buy a used car? You don't know if the other person farted in it.
For sure they have.
That's bright.
Yeah.
And that is all you guys get. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you had a great time enjoying the vlog. More things, exciting things, quite frankly, to come. I said quite frankly. I hate saying quite frankly, but stay tuned for more exciting content. Usic, give us a wave of approval. Thank you, Usic. Hi.
Hello.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, well, hold on a sec. That one, and then stop. What the heck is this guy doing?
He's at over it.
Hey, don't be checking out Usic. So, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And as you remember, the headlight bumper